Hello everyone, you are welcome in Optimistic Experiment YouTube channel. Today is session 4 and 5 of Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis, English vocabulary with synonyms and antonyms. So let's start. Obstetrician, first word, a doctor with special training in how to care for pregnant women and help in the birth of babies. Example, the obstetrician delivered the child. Next word, pediatrician, a doctor who deals with the diseases of children. Bal Chikitsak. Example, we need to take our daughter to see the pediatrician. Next word, dermatologist, a doctor who studies and treats skin diseases. In Hindi, it is त्वचा विशेषज्ञ. Example, ask your mom to take you to a dermatologist who will know the best way to squeeze the pesky pimples. Next word, ophthalmologist, a doctor who studies and treats eye diseases. In Hindi, नेत्र विशेषज्ञ. Example, an ophthalmologist can tell if your eyes have been affected by diabetes or not. Next word, physician, a person who cures moral or spiritual ills, a healer. Chikitsak. Example, she is a prominent physician. Next word, optician, a person whose job is to test eyes, sell glasses, etc. In Hindi, optician. The example is, the optician has advised that I wear contact lenses. Next word, pedagogy, the method and practice of teaching, especially as an academic subject or theoretical concept. In Hindi, Shiksha Shastra. Synonyms of pedagogy is training, didactics, antonyms is flexion. Example, Mr. Dinesh follows a unique style of pedagogy and she often allows her students to take care over the lessons. Next word, pedestal, the base of an upright structure. Synonyms of pedestal is base, foundation. Antonyms are discontent, disenchantment. Example, she dismounted a statue from its pedestal. Next word, demagogue, a political leader who tries to influence people by making emotional speeches. Synonyms are fomenter, incendiary. Antonyms, peacemaker or uniter. Example, the agitators were led by an angry demagogue whose mission was to overthrow the government. Next word, pedagogue, a teacher, somebody who likes to teach people things, especially because they think they know more than the other people. In Hindi, अध्यापन में रुचि लेने वाला विशेषकर वह स्वयं को अधिक ज्ञान संपन्न समझता है. Synonyms are educator, instructor. Example, this year my favorite pedagogue is my English teacher. Next word, hypodermic, adapted for use in or administered by injection beneath the skin. Synonyms are hype, syringe. Example, they may use hypodermic syringes to inject the drug into their bloodstream. Next word, epidermis, the external layer or skin. Example, while the epidermis is constantly peeling, new skin cells are being produced. Next word, taxidermist, the art of preparing, stuffing and mounting the skins of animals and especially vertebrates. Example, she spent her spare time studying birds and became an accomplished taxidermist. Next word, Pachyderm, a type of animal with a very thick skin. मोटे चमड़े का जानवर in Hindi. Example: the television documentary about a pachyderm featured a thick-skinned hippopotamus named Herbie. Next word, optometrist, meaning a doctor whose medical practice revolves around detecting and correcting vision problems. In Hindi, दृष्टि विशेषज्ञ. Example: visiting the optometrist to have her eyes checked was quite an achievement for the overly nervous patient. So, here ends session 4 and 5. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Optimistic Aspirant, and for PDF you can join my Telegram channel Optimistic Aspirants. Thank you so much everyone.